my game rooster Fred there, he's getting bigger. There's these two women over there, Pebbles and Wilma. Been feeding them that protein feed. Mixed in with that cracked corn, they'd get some scratch grain and mix it. Like to, at least, yeah, have 2 bags that scratch grain, 2 bags of that protein feed to make. But hell, that protein feed is $14 a bag. They've got protein chick starter too. That's different than regular plain chick starter. And it's $16 a bag. It's $14 for a 50-pound bag chick starter. Well, when Brian raised these up this year, they was 7 dom hens, or them flary dom hens, them speckled ones like that. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Say bye, Fred.